Hey guys, I want to take a little bit of time to talk about a couple of older school budget knives that I think are fantastic knives. Starting out with the first comer to the party, which was the CJRB Maileah. This is a knife that was designed by Sharp and Pointy Swags. It's a small fifth pocket knife. It's got nice thumb stud deployment. Top flipper, awesome little sheep's footish blade with a reverse tanto, fits great in the hand, and again just a great fifth pocket knife. Well, because this knife was so popular, people were asking for it a little bit larger. CJRB came out with the more Maileah. The more Maileah takes the size up to more of a medium sized knife. You guys can get online and look at the specs. I don't know the specs or give you specs, and I apologize for that, but they're readily available. But the more Maileah does give me a full 4-finger grip, still gives me that nice choil to choke up on. The action on these knives is absolutely butter. Fantastic action. And so that's going to come in, I think, right around a 3-inch blade, and I think this one's around 2.5. Let's do a couple of quick size comparisons. Let's look at it next to the Cold Steel 4max, and they're both going to be smaller than the 4max. Now let's take a look at them next to the Baby Banter. And the more Maileah is going to be bigger than the Baby Banter. The Maileah is going to be right around the same size as the Baby Banter. That might be a good size match for us. Take a quick peek at the Benchmade bug out. Just a little bit bigger than the more Maileah, which means that our pair 2 is going to be bigger. So from an overall size comparison, it's a little bit smaller than the bug out, and then the Maileah is going to run in there right around the same size as our Baby Banter. Also has ergonomics that are pretty similar. But when I look at these two knives, they've been in my collection for a while. I've of course taken pictures of them, I've posted them, but I've really appreciated them. I carry the knives quite a bit. I find that they're both very, very useful. The more Maileah spends a ton of time in my pocket and has processed more cardboard than I even care to admit. And then we've got the regular Maileah that I've had for nearly 2 years. And this little thing's been in my 5th carry pocket more times than I can count, and it's cut just about everything. It lived in my office drawer for a while and cut tape and boxes almost every day. Well guys, again, that's all I've got for you tonight. I appreciate everybody taking time to watch the video. Take a look at Sharp and Pointy Swags. She's got some more designs. The chili pepper. She's also got the sway back, which is a button lock from Kaiser. They also make a liner lock version. Great knives, great designer. And most importantly, look out for the guy or gal to your left. Look out for the guy or gal to your right. Know that you're going to have disagreements, but be civil and learn from each other. Most importantly, love each other. Look out for one another. Peace.